ML using TensorFlow 2.3. Course Introduction. TensorFlow is an open source framework for ML and to build deep learning models. The latest version of TensorFlow is 2.3, which includes built-in libraries like Keras, sklearn, scikit, pandas, etc. This course will help you to understand what is TensorFlow and how to run applications using Google Colab, how to implement model using classification and regression, neural network and the types of neural network with hands-on approach, recommender system, transfer learning and fine-tuning, and implementing DC GAN and cycle GAN. Implement ML using TensorFlow, a course description. This course gives you an in-depth knowledge on building the models using TensorFlow. Now, let me briefly explain you about TensorFlow. TensorFlow is an open source library or framework which was released in the year 2015 by Google. It is a Python library or framework which allows developers to express arbitrary computation as data flow graph. This course will illustrate implementing ML application using TensorFlow. Target audience. This course is designed for a specific target audience such as data scientists, big data developers, machine learning developers, and any technical personnel who is interested in learning and exploring TensorFlow. Prerequisites. The prerequisites for taking this course are: you should have a basic programming knowledge in Python, especially SciPy, scikit, matplotlib, pandas. You should know how to use Jupyter Notebook and a basic machine learning concept. Schedule lesson. The course schedule includes the lesson and the practices. In this slide, you will see the list of 7 lessons which illustrates the various features and concepts of TensorFlow. The course comprises of the following: Introduction to TensorFlow and Google Collaboratory, implementing classification and regression using TensorFlow, neural network and artificial neural network, in short ANN, recurrent neural network, in short RNN, and time series prediction, working with convolution neural network, in short CNN, recommendation system, transfer learning and fine-tuning, and generative adversarial network, in short GAN. Schedule practices. The course includes a lot of hands-on using various features of TensorFlow. The slides 7 and 8 list the practices that you would be doing. The practices for lesson 1 would be setting up Google Collaboratory in Google Drive and running the simple application using TensorFlow. The practice for lesson 2 includes running ML application using linear classification and linear regression mechanism. The practice for lesson 3 includes implementing image classification and logistic regression using ANN. The practice for lesson 4 includes implementing time series prediction and image classification using RNN mechanism. The practice for lesson 5 includes implementing CIFAR10 application and fashion MNIST application using CNN. The practice for lesson 6 include implementing recommender system using deep learning concept and implementing transfer learning and fine-tuning the model. The practices for lesson 7 includes implementing DC GAN for digit MNIST dataset and cycle GAN for translating the images. Practice environment for this course includes a valid Gmail account to access Google Colab. At the end of this lesson, let me summarize the information that you have got. Detailed course objectives, course description based on the objectives, course target audience, prerequisites for taking up this course, detailed course schedule, practice environment used in the course to do the practice.